using the keyboard. Hi friends, look at this. It's an important part of my body, the keyboard. The keyboard is used to type on a computer. You use a pen or pencil to write on paper. Similarly, to write on the computer, the keyboard is needed. A keyboard usually has 101 or 104 keys. Letters, numbers, or symbols are printed on the keys, which are typed when that key is pressed. Cursor is a blinking line seen on the screen. Typing is done at the cursor. The different types of keys present on a keyboard are alphabet keys, with all the letters from A to Z are used to write words and sentences. Number keys are present above the alphabet keys and in the numeric pad on the right side of the keyboard. Space bar is the longest key on the keyboard and is used to give a space between two words in a sentence. Navigation keys are a set of 4 arrows that are used to move the cursor up, down, left and right. The Enter keys located to the right of the alphabet keys and numeric pad are used to start a new line. When you make a mistake while writing with a pencil, what do? You use an eraser to correct your mistake. What happens if you make a mistake while typing on a computer? Backspace and delete keys are used to correct mistakes. The backspace key is used to erase whatever is to the left of the cursor, while the delete key erases to the right of the cursor. You can use the special keys of the keyboard to type and to perform many other functions on the computer.